Hey guys, today I'm back with my mixing series, and the colour I'll be mixing today is the colour purple. And in today's video, I'm so sorry I forgot to record a video of all of the colours that I used, but there was quite a few purples that I used. So pouring a few drops into the cup, I did as usual until I'd gone through all of my polishes that I had aside. For this colour, I predict that the polish will be a very vampy purple because of the amount of dark purples, and some of them are leaning towards berry, but I wouldn't say the berry is purple. So I'm mixing the colours again, and surprisingly it's a stunning grape purple, and this instantly replaced all of my favourite polishes that I've made so far. And I'd actually buy this purple in store if it was there. It reminds me a bit of from the OPI collection, the Grama Kistagucho, but that polish was quite jelly-like, and this is what I thought it was going to be like, a shimmery, that purple, grape purple. Anyway, I'm not making sense. So after bottling the polish, I tried it out, and on the first coat it was kind of streaky, but on the second coat it was a really lovely polish. So the name of this polish is Hooked on a Feeling by Blue Swede, and I've said before that this collection is going to be named after the Guardians of the Galaxy soundtracks, Volume 1 and 2. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. And I'll see you tomorrow. We're the last video of this series, and I'll be mixing all of my browns and nude polishes together. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!